Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters, One Design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. Each week we bring you a theme. This week's theme will be Treat Box. Next week's theme, I will have it go across the screen, maybe there or up here somewhere. And then you'll find out what that information is. We also enter our challenges into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and the ladies' links will be down below. So for my treat boxes today, I'm showing two of them. But anyways, so for the first and second one, we are using these little gems that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm also using from My Creative Time, Just Because Stamp and Die set. And I'm also using this fence grass die from Scrapping Cottage. Not the grass though, the grass came from someplace else and I had it already cut out, but I don't know where I got it from. And then I'm also using KS Crafts, the mini sunflower, I guess sunflower dies, I don't know for sure, but anyways, it's from KS Crafts. I'm also using this little bee out of this die set, which is called Spring Things from Sizzix. Thanks so much, Lady Cree. I am using the Spring Fling paper by Gloria Whitlock. And then for the second one, I am using, well, that's almost coming off. Anyways, I'm using these clothespins, wooden clothespin that I got from Ollie's. And from Cards TV Stamps, Good Friends, I am using Sweet Friend. And from Cottage Cuts again, I'm using this little ladybug. From Spellbinders, I am using the Sunflower Serenade. My Creative Time again, I'm using the 3.75 by 4.75 rectangle doily dies, and I'm using this little piece right here. And then the paper I'm using for that box will be the Little Ladybug by Gloria Whitlock. And then last but not least, I am using this Gable Heart Treat Box, which is from My Creative Time. And so this is how this one turned out with those sunflowers from KS Crafts. I did put a little clothespin sunflower on there, right on the side, and I did use the leaf that came with it. There goes that little bee, and I thought it would be just because, and I thought it turned out really cute. Love how that little fence looks back there, and then I added some of those little gems on there. And then on the back side, I put Enjoy, and I've used every part of that treat box to create this set. Love that. And then I thought I would do a ladybug theme, and so this is how that one turned out. Thought the ladybug was just perfect going across there. I used one of the leaves and another ladybug to pin up top, and I thought the yellow would be good to accent that heart in up there. And then that's that stamp set from Cards TV Stamps. And then on the back side of this, which of course I took that little heart out of there and put it right here, and I just put the ladybug and the leaf back there for decoration. But I love how these turned out. So make sure you join in with us and create a treat box so that we can come over and see what you have created. Use both of those hashtags, and the ladies' links will be down below. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.